What you are looking at right now is something that is going to completely change the way you think about luxury vans. This is the all-new 2027 Toyota Hiace Max. And honestly, the moment I walked into the showroom and laid my eyes on it, I had to take a step back. Let us start right here at the front, because this is where Toyota made the boldest statement. Gone is the boxy, commercial look that the old Hiace was known for. What we have now is an aggressive and sophisticated fascia that looks like it belongs in a completely different category altogether. You can see these sharp, angular LED daytime running lights that slice through the front end like a blade. Now let us walk around to the rear, and this is equally impressive. The taillights are slim, horizontal, and stretch elegantly across the full width of the tailgate, creating that wide, planted stance that looks absolutely stunning. The rear glass is beautifully raked and the window trim matches the chrome detailing around the body perfectly. Now this, right here, is where the magic truly happens. Step inside and you are immediately greeted by a cabin that feels like a first-class lounge. The seats are wrapped in this gorgeous cream-colored leather, soft to the touch and meticulously stitched. They are fully reclining captain chairs, wide, deeply padded, and incredibly supportive. Now let us talk about what is under the hood, because a vehicle that looks this good needs to back it up with solid performance. The 2027 Hiace Max is expected to carry forward a refined, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing somewhere in the range of 220 to 250 horsepower. Toyota is also expected to introduce a hybrid powertrain option for this generation, which would be a massive upgrade in fuel efficiency and overall refinement. Based on current market trends and what Toyota has been doing with their premium vehicle lineup, we are expecting the 2027 Hiace Max to carry a starting price somewhere between $60,000 and $70,000 United States dollars for the standard configuration. As for the release date, Toyota is anticipated to officially unveil this model in late 2026, with deliveries beginning in select markets around the first quarter of 2027.